As you can see, this makeup over here is I don't know what I did that. I've already moisturized my skin. I'm going to apply a little bit of the Porefessional by Benefits. Just a tiny bit of it like this. Because a little of this goes a really long way. I want to focus on the places that I get oily throughout the day. So it will be my nose area, my forehead, my chin, and then the remaining of the product I'm going to smudge it out. The foundation I'm going to use today is my favorite foundation for now. This is Loreal Infaillible Pro Matte Foundation. I like this. I wear this especially when I perform. I'm going to use a brush. This is a buffing brush by Realtechniques. Just put it at the back of my hand, this much. I'm going to start up from the center of my face and slowly blend it outwards. And if you're going to put your hair up, and don't forget to blend the product down to your neck and your ear. Places that you want more coverage, just tap it. Work it into the skin instead of buffing it. Also, don't forget the skin under the ears. Because this foundation is matte, you're gonna want to blend the products faster than usual, or it's gonna set really fast. I was thinking, why not just have a little chat with you guys of what happened in the past few weeks. I'm sorry for uploading the videos so slow. I know it's been a while since the last video. A lot has happened to me in the past few weeks. I was traveling around a lot. I was visiting my grandma in Singapore. After she got discharged, I accompanied her and my family to go back to Penang. I spent a few days there in Penang. I did also go back to my hometown, Poreless, just to have an early birthday celebration with my family. Because I always celebrate my birthday with my family. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that already. Because I'm the only person staying in KL. So my mom is always worried about me. I basically go back to my hometown monthly. I try to keep it as often as I could. I want to stay connected to my family. They're my everything. Also, my sister's children. I want to see them grow up, you know. I'm gonna try to post at least one video in a week. If there's any look that you want me to recreate, do let me know. Leave it in a comment and I'll look at it and I will try my best to create my version of that makeup that you choose. Now let's move on to concealer. This is Fit Me Concealer in shade 20, Sand Sable. I like the fact that it's more moisturized under the eyes, but you're gonna have to set this concealer with some powder. And I really like the applicator. I think it's really convenient. I always prefer this kind of applicator. You can control the amount of products that you want to get by sweeping off the excess on top. To blend the concealer, I'm going to use my favorite concealer brush, but this is not actually a concealer brush, but I like to use this to work my concealer. This is Satin Brush from Realtechniques. The reason why I use this to blend my concealer is because this brush doesn't absorb a lot of products. You can control how much coverage you want by doing it in a tapping motion or circular motion. Just like the forehead, I normally just blend it this way, swipe it. I'm not gonna set my under eye concealer just yet because I'm going to do my eye makeup, and then just in case there's any fallout, I'm going to conceal it with the concealer. But before that, we are definitely gonna prime our eyes. I'm using the concealer as the primer. So now I'm going to set my eye primer by using this All About Face. The size is just nice for me to travel. It's not too small, it's not too big. Taking a contour brush from Realtechniques. Actually, I have a few new products to try on today. One of the new products that I just picked up is this Fit Me powder in 330. I use this to contour. I use this as a bronzer. This color is way too dark on my skin. I purposely picked this color because I want it to be my bronzer or contour. I'm so glad I found this product to replace Hoola bronzer because I think Hoola is just quite expensive in my opinion. It is a really good product, but you know, I want to have another option on my bronzer. Alright, moving on, I'm going to try this palette from Tarte, Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. They have got amazing color inside. Oops. I think I'm going to use this color. And I'm going to use a MAC 217 blending brush. And I'm going to just put it on the tip of the brush, like that. I'm going to focus this product here in the socket bone. I'm going to create a little wing. Bring it to the inner corner. Taking this gold shade, I'm going to apply it on the lid. Whoa, this color is pretty. I'm going to take this color from Natural Makeup. Sorry if I pronounced it wrongly. Using the same 217 MAC brush, I'm going to darken the socket bone to give it a little bit more of a definition. So I'm going to curl my lashes. My favorite mascara, this is by Maybelline. I feel like every time if I apply eyeliner first before curling my lashes, this part, see, it's gonna take my eyeliner away. I hated it. That's why I will always curl my lashes, put mascara, and then go back in with my eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use from Maybelline as well. We're gonna go into our concealer, kind of just clean up. setting brush. At the same time, you can clean up your wing just to give it like a sharper, cleaner wing. Now we can set the under eye. Going back to this contour brush and All About Face loose powder. You kind of want to bake it. Moving on to the under eye, Fit Me powder. And I'm gonna use a small brush like this so that there's something underneath the eye. And I'm going to use this darker color, the darkest color that we use on our eyelid. And just to bring the product at the outer corner of our lower lash line. And using another smaller brush, I'm gonna take this golden color over here to put it in the center of our lower lash line. And we're gonna apply mascara on the bottom lashes. Actually, before that, we should rub off the baking before applying it. Alright, let's move on to the skin. I don't think I want a cream contour today. I'm gonna stick back to this Fit Me powder using the contour brush. Double chin. I hate it. Thanks to makeup. Makeup is magic. And I've got this new blusher from Tarte. This is Tarte. A blush brush from Realtechniques. Starting from the apple of the cheeks. Going back with my foundation brush just to blend everything together. And we're going to clean up the contour. Just leave it to set for a bit. I'm still deciding whether I want to put some false lashes today. I wish you can talk to me now. Let's move on to the lips. Guess what, guys? I've got a Fenty Beauty Uncensored Stunner Lip Paint. Before applying this baby, I'm going to put some lip liner. This is from Essence Long Lasting Lip Liner. I'm 01 Ready for Red. This is so pretty. I'm going to just tightline the upper liner by using this Maybelline. I can't tell you the name. I'm going to list it down in the description box. This is by Maybelline, but I can't see the name of it. think I'm gonna go in with this Cleo waterproof pastel upper liner in number 1. Just put it on the lower lash line. I'm just gonna darken the outer corner of our lower lash line. I'm going to put some highlighter on, shade over here. Corner of our eye, I'm gonna put this color on top of the color that we applied just now. Just want to give it a little bit more brightness. Now I'm gonna put some accessory and change my clothes and see you in a bit. Guys, this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next one. Bye. I love you.